Okay, so I don't know what shape this is in, but I like using this part of the bench, which is smooth here, because I'm going to rub my hands against it. And there's a bit of a hook on here. So the first thing I'm going to do is lay it down. Oh, I'll put some oil on it. Just get a drop of oil, just to lubricate it a bit. And put it in from the edge a little bit. Use a burnisher, and just hold it flat on it and pull it back. So lifting that hook up. It's hard to understand what's going on by describing it, but you just flat like that. And there's 4 edges. I'm going to put it in as vise. Then I do what's called draw filing. So you put the handle to the left and draw it towards you. And by holding the file in this way, like as opposed to this way, because if you go this way it's too easy to tip this way. But if you hold it like this, it's really hard to go off that way. So it's more accurate for making a nice square surface. You keep going until you have a sense that that whole surface is nice and flat and square. The other one. Draw filing also presents the teeth at a more abrupt angle rather than this, so it makes a smoother surface. So then there's still enough oil on here, I think, but if I thought I needed more oil, I put more oil on. So then I do the same thing. I put it in maybe about 1/2 inch, and then I'm rubbing the burnisher on the edge of the scraper and the edge of the bench, so that sort of defines a very low angle, but it's a slightly downward angle. Just go back and forth just a little bit, not too much pressure, and do that on all 4 sides. And then bring it over the edge, and then hold the burnisher almost vertical. It's like as vertical as you can, but assuming you can't hold it vertical, err on the side of angling this way. But as vertical as you can, but a little bit that way. Just one like that, one like this. And do all 4 sides. And you can test it, see how it works. That seems to be pretty good. And you do that until, so you have 4 edges to cut with. 2, 3, whoops, 4. Then after a while, if it doesn't cut as well anymore, you can go back and do those 2 steps again. So you push the hook back and then pull it up again. But not too much pressure. Okay?